Hello guys. Earlier we have talking about RPL trade, and if you did not watch you can still watch, and I have pinned my that point as well, so you don't need to leave the live stream and you can still trade without leaving stream. Okay, so right now we will discuss different trade. Today we are going to dive into an exciting trade opportunity on the TRD coin as we will see how it rise huge today. I know some of you might have missed my earlier post about a different trade, but don't worry, we are focusing on TRB right now. As you can see, I have pinned that TRB coin so you can easily find it and even see my trade in real time. The best part, you don't need to leave the live stream to trade TRB. Let's break down why we are taking this trade and what your strategy is. First, let's look at the overall trend in the longer time frame. We can see that the recent high for TRB is around 67 and we are currently far from that level, hovering around 53. Today we saw a massive bull candle from on TID. This massive green candle is a huge signal that trend might continue, but after some retracement. Taking us from 54 to above 53, around 54 at least. This is a great opportunity, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. In the 4-hour time frame, we see a long candle on TRB, which is still green, and a doji candle opened at 51, made a high of 53.5, but closed at 50.87. This hints at a short-term movement reversal on TRB. So here is what we can do. Take a short position on TRB, but only for the short term. If you place a trade on TRD between 53 and 52.8, or even place your trade with your risk management, your targets could be 50, 49, and 47.8. This is a short term trade based on the current price movement of TRB. Keep in mind that the volume shows a big spike, but even with high volume, it doesn't necessarily hint at a big drop of TRB. We can't ignore the long wick candle on TRB from 53.5 to 52.5. It's a good opportunity to short TRB for a short term trade, which is also called a scalping trade. Remember, sometimes the price will reach new highs, but other times it will go for a replacement. Retracement is a part of trade, and it is not possible that price will only move high. It will come to retrace price again. We will find another opportunity other day when the time is right to take a long trade. But for now, let's focus on this short term trade. As you can see on the chart, TRV has been forming a nice support level between 48 to 49. If we can get a confirmation of a breakout below this level, it could be a great opportunity to short TRB. But let's not jump the gun just yet. We need to wait for confirmation before making any moves. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why are we taking a short position on TRB? Well, my friends, it's all about reading the charts and understanding the market sentiment. Right now, the charts are telling us that TRB might be due for a correction, and that's why we are taking this short term trade. Of course, as always, please keep in mind that trading carries risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. And you must have a better risk management. But if you are looking for a potential short term trade opportunity on TRB, this might be worth considering. If you have any questions regarding this trade on TRB, feel free to ask me in the chat. I will do my best to answer your questions and provide more insights on the TRB market. And don't forget, I have pinned the TRB point so you can easily trade without leaving the live stream. Also, for more updates when I come live, you can follow me so you will get notification when I will live. Thank you.